Greetings, wonderful viewers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cornrows for your Maggie doll using yarn. This is a very time-consuming yet fun project. It took me about 4 hours to actually do her hair. I'm not a fast braider, by the way. So if you can just take a quick look at her hair. I wanted Maggie's hair to look like a tomboy, like a girl who likes to ride her bike and play with frogs, which is the energy that I got from her. So I didn't want her hair to look really fresh and prissy. But anyway, so all you're going to need for this project is literally some yarn here. And you'll see in the tutorial, basically all I did was I took the yarn together like this. It was really kind of hard to film this, and I tried to do like let's just say this 2, 2, and 2. Those braids are pretty skinny, but you know, you can select whichever size you're comfortable with. But I found that the size I really like the best is when I put 3 rows of 3 yarn together. Now the way to actually braid them, for the tutorial, I placed them under the monitor of my computer, and I was able to plait them out like this. But when I was not recording, I actually put them between my knees or between my toes to hold them in place. So you can, once you make the braids for your Maggie doll, you are going to figure out what hairstyle you're looking for. And now if I wasn't doing the tutorial, I would have sewn her braids in place, but sewing really it takes a very long time, but it has a smoother look. But I used a hot glue gun, and so what you're going to do, which I wasn't able to show you throughout the tutorial because it's very time consuming, and it was difficult for me to show you and be able to get it right. But you're just literally going to take your glue gun, but be very careful because of the strings, and you're going to place it, like once you pin it, you're going to just literally just place the glue, hot glue, in between where her hair is pinned, just a little dot. Trust and believe, you do not need a lot because yarn is a very light medium, so you don't need a lot of hot glue. And if you have a hot glue pen, I think that would even be better than a gun, because you really just need like a little dot. And make sure you pin the hairstyle you want in place before you start tacking it down. And you'll see in the video how I set it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And I look forward to seeing you in the next project. Thank you so much for watching. I didn't have a particular hairstyle in mind before braiding the hair, so I looked on the internet for inspiration. I am using the rubber bands to hold the end of the braids together. We are now wrapping up part 6. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the overalls for Maggie. Thank you so much for watching.